Always thought you were the best. I guess I
Wow, maligas na.
always felt that we were blessed, and I feel like still.
Uy!
Sometimes we took the hard,
Mountain Dew.
but we always saw it through. I had only one friend. I wanted to.
Dito kailangan mo. Diba? Fountain dew? Fountain dew ba? Fountain dew.
Penge!
Ayoko na! Kasi isang baso dito, ay, may dadaya.
Nauwaw na ako eh.
Ano ba yung papa?
Please.
I had only one friend. I wanted to.
Tapos sino man ni Dada?
Okay.
One who understands me, knows me inside out, held me together.
Nakalaki-laki ng boses nyo, malaki pa boses nyo kay Brad James eh. Ganda ng boses ito. Yung deliberation lang niya magaling. May damdamin kasi. Pagkakantay mo nga, nagpe-painting dyan, nagtuturan dyan, ala. Ganda ng boses na.
Ay, may matapag. Walang...
Hindi mahangin.
Oh, walang hangin yan. Kulang ang hangin. Walang hangin. Parang kanta ni ano to. Ni...
Kenneth, ipedyo kita. Kunwari kinakanta mo yan. Tumabi ka na sa may.
Ayun ang mga deliberation. Tingnan mo naman kasi deliver niya galing. Professional kasi singer na ngayon mga yan eh.
Remember
Kutay na yan.